You've got the mask the right way around when the ResMed logo on the back of the headgear faces outwards. Now, take off the lower headgear straps. Hold the cushion to your face, aligning the bottom with the crease of your chin. Now, pull the headgear over. Undo the upper headgear's fastening tabs and adjust both straps evenly. The top straps only require minimal tension to achieve a good fit, so tighten them only enough to position them securely. Then refasten both tabs. Bring the lower straps below your ears and loop the headgear into the lower hooks on the frame, like this. Now adjust the lower straps evenly until the mask sits firmly yet comfortably. Then reattach.